Good afternoon, Miss Helton Superheroes. I'm just coming on here to work on that word problem that I sent you to earlier. I want to give a shout out to Braxton and Emery. They've already emailed me their answer, and I'm very proud of them for doing that. So let's go ahead and work on our word problem for today. All right. So our problem was Anna is having her 8th birthday party. Use addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division to help her plan the party. Show your work. So we're going to do, so now I'm going to get my slate board out. Can make sure they can see it. UPScheck. So remember, U means I understand my problem and I outline it. P means I make a plan. S means I set up and solve, and then I go back and reread my answer, reread this, and make sure it makes sense. I check my answer. Says, so let's read it twice. Anna is hanging balloons around for decoration. She has 4 bags of yellow balloons and 5 bags of blue balloons. If each bag has 10 balloons, how many balloons does she have total? Sorry, I got caught off on the printer. So Anna is hanging balloons around for decoration. She has 4 bags of yellow balloons and 5 bags of blue balloons. If she has 10 balloons, how many balloons does she have left? So how is my question word? So I'm going to underline how many balloons does she have, and I know that this word is total, so I'm just going to write it here for you, question mark, and I'm going to underline the rest of that. Okay, so yes, I've done you. I've read it 2 times. I think I understand the problem, and I underlined my question. Okay, need to make a plan. So I have 4 bags of yellow and 5 bags of red. So I'm going to circle 4 bags and then yellow, and circle 5 bags blue and 10 balloons in each one. Okay, and then each, remember that's a tricky one. We have to think about it. Does each mean multiplication in this case, or does each mean divide? Well, if I have to think about it this way, in this case, am I going to have less balloons to begin with, or am I going to have more balloons to begin with? I hope you said more. So I'm going to put a little multiplication sign by that each, because I think in this case, this each means to multiply. Okay, now I'm seeing a 2-step problem. So I'm going to set up my board, cut it in half, and leave the bottom for the setup. Okay, I made a plan. Now I need a setup and solve. So I got to read the question again. How many balloons does she have total? But my story does say her name. It says Anna. Okay, so how many balloons does she have total? Anna, I'm going to set it up. Anna has blank balloons total. Period. Now I double check. Capital letter, period, a blank in the middle. Yes. Now, so I'm going to go back. I think I see another keyword though. So I'm going to read where I have all those circles there. She has 4 bags of yellow balloons and 5 bags of blue balloons. Well, in math, and means I need to add. So I'm going to put a plus sign there. So we're going to call, remember this is part 1 and part 2. So in part 1, I'm going to add, so 4 bags plus 5 bags, so that's what she bought at the store. And then you should know that 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay? Now it says if each, and we just decided that was multiplication, has 10 bags, so over here in part 2 it'd be 10 times 9, okay? And we're going to do traditional, we're going to go up and over, or you can count by tens, either way. So 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 1 is 9. I think that's my answer. I'm going to put 90 in here, so I'm going to read the question one more time. Anna is hanging balloons around for decoration. She has 4 bags of yellow balloons and 5 bags of blue balloons. If each bag has 10 balloons, how many balloons does she have in total? 90 is a lot more than 10 and 4 and 5. And with my keywords, I think this makes sense. All right, so I think my answer is Anna has 90 balloons total. Okay, so how did you do? Did you get it right? Did you get it wrong? Did you use your UPScheck? Because when I was grading your math test the last time we're at school, some of you did UPScheck and some of you didn't. So make sure you're using that strategy to help you do a better job on your work. All right, make sure you're using UPScheck. All right, I'll send you out another word problem tomorrow because I'm not thinking we're gonna be at school. I haven't got the call yet, but I'm pretty sure we won't be there. And then hopefully I'll see you sometime this week. All right, bye guys.